Hey you, what are some things that when we clean them and take care of them, they last us longer? Let's think. Our dishes, our teeth, and our cars. That's why I prefer to wash my car in a self-serve bay as opposed to going through an automatic wash or any other gas station option. And there's a few reasons for that. The first reason that I prefer to wash my car by hand is because it saves me money. I only spent a couple of dollars washing my car, even going through all of the options. For instance, soaking my car, getting it wet with high pressure rinse, then getting all the dirt and grime loose with a foam brush, rinsing it off once again, and then tire motor cleaner, and lastly, hitting it and finalizing the process with wax or some spot free rinse. And I still save money in the process. Even vacuuming my car afterwards, it's only 75 cents to a dollar normally to get a couple minutes out of vacuum to clean your car, get all of the crackers and crumbs scraped out of the crevices and hard to reach places, even where your windshield wipers are and like in the cracks of your trunk where they're hard to get and leaves and branches fall into. The second reason that I like to wash my car by hand is because I believe that it does a much more thorough job. Um, I know like you have to put in some elbow grease into like scrubbing your car and getting the dirt and the muck out of there, but I feel like it is much more effective than going through an automatic wash or any automatic option out there. Even the touch-free options can only do so much, in my opinion. And the rags that spin and hit your car, I've heard people claim that it collects dirt and debris, and that's just hitting your car and can damage the paint and whatnot. So once again, that's why I prefer to wash my car by hand. It saves me money. It's much more effective and thorough. And lastly, it just builds character. When you're out on the road and you do clean your car every once in a while, it shows, demonstrates the kind of person you are, that you take care of your things and you value what you've got. I just feel like I save money in that department just by washing it and doing it all myself. With that, it's much more thorough, like I said. I found like scrubbing it. You start from the top with the foam brush, get all the dirt and muck and grime out of there. And then as you rinse, obviously top to bottom, kind of let it soak and run down. Clean your car off. Yeah, so even washing your car at self-serve base shouldn't take more than a few quarters, if that. Usually $2 on average, I'd say I've seen. Um, but I mean, I can clean and wash my car inside and out for under $10, whereas some people like to pay upwards of $50 to $80 a month just to have somebody do it very thoroughly. And I understand, like, we've got the money, definitely spend it if that's how you want to spend it. But for me, and when it comes to cutting costs, saving money, being able to do it myself in a timely and effective manner. So, in summary, I like to wash my car by hand because it saves me money. I know it may take some time, but I get to do it myself, and with that, I get to take care of my car the way I want to and clean it with a lot less money than what I would pay to have somebody else do it. The second reason is because I feel like it does a much more thorough and effective job in terms of cleaning the car, getting those hard to reach places and crevices where more dirt and grime kind of build up on the road and whatnot. And lastly, just because it builds character. So from the beginning, like I said, when we take care of our things, they last us a lot longer. Shout out to my dad because he knows clean cars last longer. Let's get started. The time is now.